Welcome to Unit 6. In this section, we will learn about using simple past and past continuous tenses. Observe a scenario. Sheila started her homework at 3 o'clock and completed it at 5 o'clock. Here, 5 o'clock the action is completed. So we can say it in simple past tense as Sheila completed her homework at 5 o'clock. In the example, Sheila is the subject, completed is the verb, her homework is an object, and 5 o'clock is time. So the structure to write a sentence in past tense is subject plus verb to or past form of the verb plus object plus time. Let us observe a few more examples. Rakesh purchased a new bike yesterday. I met my friend 2 days ago. India won the match against Pakistan last week. Make at least 10 sentences based on the following. What did you do last week? How did you celebrate your last birthday? What did you do in the school yesterday?